Do you want to know how to become a seller on Fiverr? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So here we are on my PC. In order to get started selling on Fiverr, you want to go to their website or you can sign up to become a seller. You will find that option in the top right corner. So step number 1, click on become a seller. Basically how it works is that you are gonna create a gig and people can then buy that. You are then gonna deliver the work and you will get paid. That's a very short description of how this works. If you want to find the become a seller button, and then you can sign for an account. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, Apple or your email address. Then click on continue. Now this is where you need to choose a username. So I want you to pay attention here because you cannot change your username once you have made your account. So make sure to choose a username that you would like to go with and you are 100% sure that you want to use it, because you cannot change it later on and not even when you have created your account. Once you have done that, you want to click on join, and yeah, you have created your own Fiverr seller account. But we are not done yet. We are just getting started. So as you can see right there, you need to activate your account. So you want to go over to an email and then confirm and activate your account. So click on the activate button and there we go. Your account successfully activated. So once you have set up your account, you want to click on become a seller button once again so that you can start setting up your actual seller profile, because what you have just did, we just created a normal account. So click on this become a seller button and then we can start setting up our seller account. And here we're gonna set up a personal info, professional info and linked account and security, and then we are set. We can start selling on Fiverr. So if we scroll down once again, you have to enter your full name. Guys, I'm just using a fake name or just a random name just for a demonstrational purposes. Okay, so for this video I'm going with a random name, don't get me wrong, because I don't want to enter all my real information, but you have to do that. Okay, make sure to use your own name. Step number 2 is adding a profile picture. So you can click right here or you can upload a picture. Next you have to add a description. So this is where you can share a bit about your work or your experience, some amazing projects that you have done and your area of expertise. So for example, I'm pretty good at YouTube SEO. I would sell YouTube SEO gigs. So you can say I'm a YouTube SEO expert that specialized in ranking videos on the YouTube search page. I have done this for a few years and isn't a lot of views. Like this, you can write in description. So as you can see, I just said I am a YouTube SEO expert that specialized in ranking videos on YouTube search page, and have done this for a couple of years, and right now I got millions views. So this is pretty much where you talk about what you do and what you're good at, and then add languages as well, but that's for now. I'm gonna click on continue, and this is where we can set up our professional info. You can start out by choosing your occupation. So click right there and then choose what is that you do. So I'm gonna go with digital marketing, since YouTube SEO falls under digital marketing. So I've been doing that since let's see 2017, and right now it's 2023, and there we go. Next step, you want to choose the option that fits for you. So I'm just going to do this at random since this is just an example. So I'm doing marketing strategies and social media marketing as well, and of course SEO. Next, you can add your skills. So let's say that you are a video editor. You then type in a video editing and you can add that as a skills. You can add multiple skills. For now, I'm gonna go with video editing. You can select the level. So I'm intermediate. Let's just put it that and then click add new. Then I'm gonna do a YouTube marketing experience as a beginner, expert, I will say, and click add new so you can see where it's going. So next you can add your education. You can also add your certifications and your personal websites if you have any. For this video I'm going to skip these options because for me they are not relevant. So next you can link your accounts if you want to. You have the options to link your Google account, Facebook or Twitter account. Once again, for this video I'm going to skip this, but you can always do that yourself. And then in order to secure your account, you can add your phone number if you want to. So once again, for this video I'm not going to do it, so I'm going to click continue and create your first gig. So for the title, make sure that your title is not too long. Okay, you don't want it to trail off the gig so people don't know what you are selling, and you also want it to be packed with keywords. So let's say I'm just going with a random thing. I will write a SEO blogs for your business. So I'm just coming up with this out of my head here. And categories, you pick the categories and the subcategories. So gig metadata, this is important. I'm just gonna be writing in English, and these are the topics that I want to stick to. Let's say it's environment or fitness, marketing, and for tone, conversational and professional. Article type, listicles, let's say a long form of articles. Type your keywords, like since I'm doing now your SEOs for blogs, so I can like blog post or SEO blog or blog writing, etc. But you have to choose the best keywords which are performing, right? So you can Google it, use Google Analytics, use Fiverr, you can do that. And if you want to know how to search a best performing keywords, comment down below and we will make a video for you. And after that, hit save and continue. So you always want to make sure that you have all three of these packages enabled. This allows people to shop from you. You do not need to make this all fancy names for them. I will write a 500 word blog. Here I will write a 1k word blog, and here I will write a 2k word blog in my premium package. So okay, delivery time, you always want to try and have something that is a 2-day delivery. That way it will show up if people filter for how quickly they need something. So if your gig starts already at 3 or 4 days delivery, it's gonna be cut out from the people who need something in 2 days. And typically people are on this site in the first place because they need something quickly. So you really do want to make sure you have something at the 2nd day mark. I'm just filling out some of this gig extra, and this will be different based on whatever it is you are selling. You can see it's a pretty self-explanatory here. What goes with what. I do not offer data charts. Let's say I'm gonna start this at $25, $40 and $80, and licensed images. So this allows people to buy licensed images from you, and then you can go into the Fiverr Shutterstock and pick the photos that goes with the blog. So I'm going to say they get one for each of them. Now add-ons are so important. This is how you make all of your money from Fiverr. This is how you get people to increase whatever it is they were already going to spend. So if I want people to add on an articles of 500 words, and this is the price. Okay, so we'll price it at 25 each time if someone buys more than 500 words. Now extra fast delivery, it is such an amazing way to make more money. You can charge like $50 to $100 if you want, but make sure always lower your price at the first. Because if you higher the price like this, no one gonna buy from you because you are a fresh guy here. So to start, sell your service for a lower price. For additional revisions, so I offer 2, and let's say I will offer a third one for $20 for an extra day. And now hit save and continue. So okay, it's a gig description. This is important to make sure that you are using bullets, bold, highlight, breakdowns of everything that you are gonna offer people and what you are gonna offer them and what you are not gonna offer them. And please take your time with this. I'm going to copy and paste from Google. So as you already know, this is just for an informational video. So I just paste this. So it's a kind of kickoff of like a little intro of why blogging is important, and then go ahead and from my expertise for everyone, and I use, as you can see, a bold and then bullets out what is included very clearly, so that way the client can see what is and what is not included. And then I ended up with the positive, like let's get to work. So I do want my people to know that I'm excited about working with them. So down bottom here, your FAQ is a great place to once again back up your claims, your background. So I would say you are a native English speaker. That's something people ask. No, so I'm not a native speaker. So I just type no, I was born in India, Mumbai, like that. So you want to have at least 6 Q&A down here. And this is not the time to rush through this. You really want to win over people's trust. And you have to understand, since they are not sitting in person with you, and this is your questionnaire. This is so important, and I would recommend having at least 6 questions in every single questionnaire of yours. You know why? The more questions you ask people, the more information they are gonna give you. The more information you have, when the order starts, better jobs you are going to do, and you are not gonna have to have a big back and forth with them. So I'm just writing down a few of things here. I do have my exact questionnaires, but I'm gonna say like, hey, what is a blog like? I always leave required check because I want to make sure that they have to answer this question for me. So like, what is your blog link? You can add, and you can do a new one. You can do a multiple choice, like what tone do you want for this blog? Professional, controversial, quiet, still add, save and continue. So now gig image. So here you want to make your Fiverr cover image in Canva. So I have already created one and drop it here. And again guys, if you don't know how to create an image or how to use Canva, drop your comment below and we will make a video for you. So I'm just upload here. For the additional photos, you can upload your work, you can upload your photos of yourself, like that. And you want to use all three always. And video is a great option too. Again, you can do a 30-second video introducing yourself to the client. Documents, this is where you want to upload 2 samples of your blog so that people can check them out. And right inside of the gig, what is it you are going to be offering. And again, take your time with this. Everyone, please don't rush this process. This is what is selling your service on Fiverr. These people, they can't call you. They don't do any of that stuff. So this gig is what is going to convince them that they should spend money with you. So it says almost there, let's publish your gig. So I'm not going to publish it because again, it's an informational tutorial video, but you would click publish gig, and then Fiverr is going to spend typically 1 to 2 days reviewing it before it goes live. So if you click on this button and you don't immediately see it on your profile, don't flip out and panic and thinking that something didn't work out correctly. Fiverr is taking their time and reviewing it. Again guys, for this video I just did random information, but for you, you have to be real with your client. Put your real name, put your real work, put your real occupation, put your certificates, and put your job, what you do, put your skills out there, and what the gigs you're offering. Be real and sure you will get your first client. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.